project and 3 agencies. Any projects are executed with the participation of 3 agencies: patron, client, plus design consultant, architect and team, plus contractor and team. We are here counting the patron, client, as an agency too. Positive coordination and trust between all 3 agencies are very important, to be honest, towards the project. Where the responsibility of the patron, client, is to pay on time, such as the professional charges of the architect, and the payment of the contractor according to the verification of the work. If all 3 agencies are committed, then the completion of the project takes place in peaceful way. All patrons, clients, wants their project to be completed on time as per the estimated budget. The architect should provide the design drawings at the right time, and the contractor should make available the construction materials in proper quantity on time and control the wastage of construction materials, so that the construction cost can be kept under control, and the construction budget should be around the estimated construction cost. The patron, client, should also not make frequent changes to the design and drawings at the time of the site execution unless absolutely necessary. This may increase the professional charges of an architect, and increase the construction material as per the design drawings to the contractor. If the changes on the site are according to the design and drawings, then it is possible that those changes may have been made as per the instructions of the patron, client. Due to this, there must have been a possibility of increasing the professional charges of an architect and the payment of the contractor, which has to be compensated by the patron, client, only. When the architect designs a project, the patrons, clients, share their requirements with the architect. During designing, there are minor changes in the requirements, which are made only with the consent of the patron, client. When an architect designs a project, the architect gives his best to that project, which makes up the architect's portfolio. An architect is identified with the project or building itself. It is often seen that in such situations the patrons, clients, are not honest with the architect, and from here disputes start arising. When the architect makes some minor changes, the response of the architect is neutral, but when the architect has to make major changes including structural changes, and engineering services along with the floor plans, elevation, and building sections, the design consultant, architect and their entire team has to spend more time to make that change to finish on time. This is a stage when the on-site is continuously working and the patron, client, cannot be harmed by stopping the work on the site. With this challenge, the entire team of design consultant architect spends extra time taking into account the patrons, clients, loss and completing all the changes within the time frame and preparing the site. This dispute between the patron, client, and the architect has an unintentional effect on the site, which is to be compensated by the patron, client, himself, but the patron, client, tries to put the blame on the architect and the contractor, and in this dispute, the site can be lost. Due to this, the coordination can be missing between the design drawings and the site during site execution. and the end result can be in the form of building maintenance. A building looking good and a building function-wise well executed are two different things. If your building is maintenance-free or low maintenance based, so the building would have been constructed peacefully and with the mutual participation of three agencies: patron, client, plus design consultant, architect plus team, and contractor plus team. The three agencies would have got satisfaction as well. Only such a project finds a place in an architect's portfolio. As per my experience, if the patron, client, is committed, then there can never be any problem in the project. Because as a professional, the architect is always committed to his patron, client, and the project. Then if both the patron, client, and the architect are committed to the project, then the contractor is also committed to his project. There is no room for doubt. We'll be back soon with a new topic and new video. Stay connected with us. Don't forget to like, share the channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then subscribe and click on the bell icon. Hope it will help you to make aware about right decision. Thank you.